Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate cursor on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all we have to go to our setting. Open your setting and you have to activate your assistant menu on your setting. To activate the assistant menu, you have to go to the accessibility setting. You can scroll down to find this accessibility setting and choose the interaction and dexterity right here. Okay, and this is the assistant menu, guys. We can activate this assistant menu to show the cursor on our Samsung Galaxy phone. Click on this toggle button to activate the assistant menu, and you have to allow. Okay, and this is how the assistant menu looks like. And if you want to get the cursor, you can click on the assistant menu and you have to find the cursor, this one. And this is the cursor on my Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can show cursor on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.